we have to add 3 decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to rewrite the numbers in volumes, aligning the decimal points. So first number is 1.5. The second is 4.6. And the third is 7.8. We have to keep decimal points in the same column. Next, tens and ones, the same columns. We have to add these 3 decimal numbers. How we add this now? We have to use the same rule like we add whole numbers. So we add tens to tens. So 5 tens plus 6 tens plus 8 tens. So 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 8 is 19. So we have 9 tens and 1 ones go to the ones column. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 7 is 13. So we have 3 ones and we have 1 10. And we don't have here any number, empty space, so it means we have zeros here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. What is very important? To keep the decimal point in the same column. So we got 13.9. This is my solution.